In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable Adobe Flash Player in Firefox, the safe and modern way. Now, just a quick note before we begin. Adobe Flash Player was officially retired and is no longer supported, and modern versions of Firefox block it by default. So if a website asks you to enable Flash, the best option is to use a Flash Emulator extension instead of the old plugin. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Firefox and look at the top right corner of your browser. Click the menu button, which looks like the three horizontal lines. From the menu, go down and click Extensions and Themes. This will open the Firefox add-ons area, where you can manage browser extensions. Next, click the search bar and type Ruffle, then press Enter on your keyboard. Ruffle is a Flash emulator that helps websites built with Flash content run without the original Adobe Flash Player. In the search results, click on Ruffle Flash Emulator. Once the extension page opens, click Add to Firefox. Firefox will now ask you to confirm the installation, so click Add again to approve it. After a moment, the extension will be installed, and this will effectively enable Flash-style content support through the emulator. If a site relies on old Flash animations or games, Ruffle is the safest way to view them in Firefox today. Now, if you ever want to disable it, the process is just as easy. Click the puzzle piece icon in the top right area of Firefox to open your extensions panel. Then click Manage Extensions. Find Ruffle in the list of installed extensions. From here, you can either toggle it off to disable it temporarily, or remove it completely if you no longer need it. If you only want to stop Flash-related content from running, disabling the extension is usually enough. If you want to fully turn it off, remove it from Firefox entirely. So that's it. To enable Adobe Flash Player functionality in Firefox, install the Ruffle Flash Emulator extension, and to disable it, manage your extensions and turn Ruffle off or remove it. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, please give the video a like and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.